Cool Solutions Group basically is a web-based software developer and programmer that has developed software programs for the church industry and their facility needs. Everything that we do is tied to the facilities associated with the church. After 23 years of being in the church construction industry, we started working with churches during their facilities management process and found that there were several things lacking. The first was a product we developed called Ministry Space, which is the room scheduling, event planning software program. And we designed it from a facility manager standpoint, not just an IT person standpoint. We wanted to find something that was easy to use, something that was graphical and not real textual. The second product, Facility Space, is a facilities management work order tracking software. And it allows facility managers or business administrators to be able to schedule work orders, to track when things are to be done, to schedule their vendors so that everything stays systematically. And then you have a historical background of everything that was ever done on the site. And the third product that we have just rolled out is a product called Cool Space, which is really cool given my last name. But Cool Space, what it does is it takes our Ministry Space product, which is room scheduling, and now interfaces it with HVAC systems so that by entering your room schedule, it tells the HVAC, your heating and air conditioning, when to turn on and off so that it saves money for churches. It's going to save the run time on equipment, which means equipment should last longer because it's going to run less hours. And it's also going to save labor time on the amount of time that someone has to go to turn on all the units, fix the thermostats, or go to a building automation system and re-enter data twice.
Okay, you kind of touched on this already, but how have you seen that? How have the churches seen your products help them? What benefits have they gotten?
Well, for example, with our Ministry Space product, we've had several churches that are using it now that had been using other products that are finding that it's taking them a lot less time to schedule, so they're saving enormous time from a human resources perspective. On the Facility Space, there were so many things that were being dropped along the way. There was work orders that weren't being accomplished. And now they're being proactive. They're setting up recurring events so that their HVAC is being serviced every quarter, that light bulbs are being changed on a regular basis. But the Cool Space is going to save them probably at least 20%, if not more, on their HVAC utility costs, because now the rooms will only be engaged for air conditioning when the room is actually needed to be used.